Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Soundcore Life Q20 by Anker. So before we begin the unboxing, let's just go around the packaging and see what it has to offer. It lists the main highlights: high-res sound quality, active noise cancellation, bass up technology, 40 hours of wireless playtime, extra soft ear tips, which is memory foam, foldable design for those that want to travel with it. The earpieces just fold up, auxiliary mode, Bluetooth 5. Now that we've gone around the packaging, let's get right into the unboxing. First we have in the box is the quick start guide. Next we have our travel case. We got our 3.5mm cable in case you run out of battery. A micro USB charging cord. And here we have the star of the show, the Q20. Now take a closer look at the headphones. We have the memory foam ear pads, as well as the memory foam headband. It is nicely labeled with the left and right ear. The headband is fully expandable, so you can adjust it to your comfort level. It's also pretty flexible. And then going down to the bottom here, we have our power button, as well as our noise cancellation button. Flipping over to the other side, we have our volume control. Just to the other side here, we have our micro USB charging port, as well as a 3.5mm port. Here we have the microphone. The ear pads fold up really nicely, making them an easy item to travel with. And now that we're done taking a look at all the physical features, let's see how well this performs. Let's take a closer look at the controls on the headset. Here we have the power button. If you hold it down, it turns it on, and it tries establishing a Bluetooth connection. Over here we have our noise canceling. Just holding that down will turn it off. And to turn it back on, just hold it once again. To power off your headset, just hold down the power button until you see the red light. Now to put the headset into Bluetooth pairing mode, all you need to do is when powering it on, just continue holding down the power button until you see the blue LEDs flashing rapidly. And now it's into Bluetooth pairing mode. Heading over to the other side, we have our volume control buttons. If we hit the plus sign, that will increase the volume. And using the same button, if you hold it down, it will skip forward one track. And obviously on the other side with the minus button, it will reduce the volume. And if you hold that button down, it will go to the previous track. The center button is what you'll use to pause and play. Double tapping the center button will throw into bass mode, which will give you an audio confirmation saying bass mode on. Holding down the center button will open up your Google Assistant or your Siri. Now that we're done going through all the controls, let's see how well it does with Bluetooth. When it came to the Bluetooth connection, it exceeded my expectations. I was able to go up to 64 feet with an obstructed view without the connection breaking. And when I had a clear line of sight, I got 73 feet without the connection breaking. Going into sound, unlike the other two Soundcore earbuds that I reviewed recently, the Q20 doesn't come with an app to customize your listening experience. This is more of a one-size-fits-all. ANC worked really well and it blocked out most of the background noise while I was listening to things. The sound quality is top notch, but I did find turning on the bass boost mode flattens out the mids and highs. So I just ended up leaving it off most of the time. Right now, the audio that you're listening to is coming straight from the Q20's microphone. Let me know your thoughts on the quality in the comments down below. On a typical day, I'm using these for about 8 hours, and I do find them fairly comfortable, only needing to make minor adjustments just to relieve some of the pressure at the top of my ears. I've used some other over-the-ear headphones in the past that have made my ears pretty hot when using them, but these ones were actually pretty breathable. I know that comfort is kind of like audio where it's subjective to the person, so I would have to rate the comfort level on these headphones a 7 out of 10. According to the specs, I should be able to get 40 hours of playback based off a volume percentage of 60% or less. And these specs seem fairly accurate, as I've been running the headphones now for 18 hours between a volume of 60 and 100%, and I'm still at 60% battery remaining. So this is where I'm going to end the video today. All the product links can be found in the description down below. And since you're there, hit that like button and help the channel grow by hitting that subscribe button to get all the latest videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.